Hey there everyone, this is Sun Moon Rising in Leo for the month of June 2021. I have here with me Empress. I have here with me Emperor. I have here with me Six of Cups. And I have here with me the Chariot. So right off the bat, this is a very eventful month for Leo. This month your parents will smother you a lot. They will probably give you a lot of love and attention. I see gifts coming your way. Maybe someone is going to gift you this something special this month. It could be an old friend and they will be very expressive about this particular gift. And there should be progress. I see some stability as well. You're going to be careful with your money. I feel instinctively that there's going to be a situation where you're going to try and be as careful as possible with your money and your situation. You're going to focus on stability and not be very change oriented, or not going to make any random changes. With respect to love, we have retreat and playfulness. And with retreat, I feel maybe you will step back in a relationship which you're already in. This doesn't feel like is a reading for singles. In singles, maybe you won't search any further for the moment. You might just focus on flirting with someone. But those who are already in relationships or are married, I think it's time to step back in this relationship. Focus on having fun, getting to know people and flirting and understanding, the fun side of life, like don't become too serious too soon. Give it, relax and have the fun that you need to in the relationship. With respect to career, this month seems pretty it seems a little boring, to be honest. Maybe some disappointments are there in the career path. Some of you, at least if not most of you, might be on a maternity leave. And I think the focus is more towards homely affairs and household products and all. Maybe some of you might start a new, work related to household items or baby foods, or something related involving children and family. And you'll have this very big aha moment where you know what you want to achieve in the career path. You'll have that very very necessary clarity on the situation, that this is what you want to achieve. At least you know what goals you want to achieve, and that's the one thing. You might be bored in your current job, or the current job will give you a lot of dissatisfaction, and maybe you're just not seeing that there are better options, or you're refusing jobs which may be better for you, and the path accordingly seems very it seems a bit boring, and you might just do your routine and feel very mundane about life. But otherwise, at the home front, those especially in the household line, those who are parents, etc., there are eureka moments where you know what you want in life. And if some of you who may have a boring mundane job which will need you might want to start taking for granted. But there's still a lot of hope here that career seems good for most of the month. I think Leo is one of the best months so far. I mean, the other months were little, star moon, sun, moon risings were little, slow, or some of them were a little gray. But here I think it's a ray of hope, and it's a good month for Leo for sure. And see you guys next month. Thank you.